Hey there guys, it's Paul from jonesgetter.com and today we have a beautiful red head on the menu. It's called the Snapper 7 and it's pretty much the bigger version between the Snapper 6 and this one. It's a very well made tiny whoop that got popular pretty fast. Why is it called Snapper 7? Well, I'm glad you asked. That is because it's pretty much 75mm in size from motor to motor, and the Snapper 6 is basically the exact same thing, but 65mm. In the package it comes with a simple manual sheet that teaches you everything you need to know and configure, including binding and beta flight settings. This is the drone itself, coated in a beautiful red. It also comes with a charger and 3 batteries in the package. Let's take a look closer. The batteries are 1S 450 mAh, 4.25 volts, and we'll see at the end how much time one lasts for. The charger reminds me of the one on the US-UK 65 drone, and it's a pretty good one. You can charge up to 6 batteries at the same time. It has a 12-volt input from the DC charger, or you can use a LiPo if you're on the field. There's the option to charge at 4.2 or 4.35 volts by changing the switch. The drone itself has an aluminum frame with a plastic canopy. The metal frame and the brushless motors make this look much more premium than any other tiny whoop I've flown before. There's even a carbon fiber frame underneath, so it looks really indestructible to me. These 3-bladed propellers do a great job when it comes to power, but we'll see how much the battery will drain. What I really enjoy about this is the setup. It's pretty much a hassle-free binding process. You simply have to power up the drone and then the red and white lights will blink underneath. Following, you need to press 2 seconds on the button that's under the canopy and they will stop blinking. After that, you just need to press the binding button on your transmitter. I have an FR Sky Tyranix X Lite here, which in my opinion is perfect for this size of drone, so you'll have a small package to carry around. The drone also comes with on-screen display, so you'll be able to change everything you see on your screen in beta flight. Things like battery life, telemetry, etc. I only tested the drone inside because right now in Romania it's freezing cold. And that's a nice thing about it. You can keep it both as an indoor drone or use it outdoors too. It's pretty powerful yet fine to control. You can obviously fly it in acro or stabilized, and it comes with air mode too. I had a lot of fun flying it around and the battery lifetime was quite nice. I must admit I pushed these batteries too low, but I could get even over 6 minutes of flight per battery. I would recommend keeping the voltage a little higher though, so let's say 5 minutes or so flight time. The TVL camera I handled great, but there was some interference here and there if there was like 3 words between me and the drone, for example. Overall, I don't really have any solid complaints for this quadcopter. It's really great. Could have a better transmission probably, sure, but the frame is solid, the features are pro level, and it's simply great to have this inside during the winter, knowing that when spring will come, you can't wait to test it outside. If you like this drone, please don't forget to check the prices down in the description, and also please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you later, alligator!